Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you use Starlink internet services. So this video might be interesting for you. My subscription is a residential. If you change the residential to Residential Lite, what is the difference? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. How to change and what is the new of this one. Let's check it out. You can do this process on Starlink application as well. I just simply use my MacBook. Here is my account. If I click here in the home, so this is the home section. You click here the subscription, order, billing, referral link I already added in video description. If you use my referral link, order the standard kit or any other product related on Starlink, you should receive 1 month internet absolutely free. We just simply click here and my subscription. So currently I'm using here Residential Lite is my subscription name. Here all the other information is showing here. If you click here in the manage section, so here two options is available. Change the plan. Inside the change the plan, first option is the Residential Lite, which one I'm using currently. You receive the speed up to 250 MB per second. This is the constant and fixed speed. You are not receiving better than that, and rest of is fast reliable internet for everyday home uses and some 99% download speed you receive. The subscription price is 260 Danish krona here in Copenhagen, Denmark, and second one is a residential only up to 400 plus MB per second speed you receiving if you use or if you change Residential Lite to Residential. So price is also different. Residential Lite price is a 260. If you use Residential, so price is a 395 Danish krona. It means 150 DKK more if you use this one. You can change anytime and start very easily. If you click here and say continue, so my internet speed is change right away right now using this process. Previously I paid 260 Danish krona. I need to pay extra 76.39 Danish krona and I can very easily access these services. So this is the simple process. You should use these features very easily. Change the service from Residential Lite to Residential or Residential to Residential Lite using these tips and tricks. If you have any question related on Starlink product, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.